Trump is launching his own crypto coin today, like 2 weeks out from the election. Is this a scam? Should you get into all this, right? And what is happening in Bitcoin? Is now a good time to be looking at a $1.5 billion coin launched by the next likely president of the United States.
Join me live on Twitter Spaces at 8 p.m. this September 16th for the launch of World Liberty.
This World Liberty coin that Donald is promoting 2 weeks out before his own most important election in US history is basically this crypto coin that's started by himself, his son Eric Trump, his other son Donald Trump Jr., and his other son Byron Trump. This is no joke, right? Because Donald is got, a huge lead, like 24% lead over Kamala Harris, right? This could be like a red sweep, and this is much more reliable than any polling sites out there. So he could easily, looking right now, he could easily be the next US president. And he just told you that crypto is the future. He's got his own real world assets, real estate coin, tokenization coin out there. So do you think this is worth it? Now, before we dive in, just remember that Donald is the man who used to sell you Tumps Steaks, right? Remember that? And remember there was the Trump University as well? And he even started shilling this Trump Bible, right? His own version of the Bible. I mean, it's like that's on top of the watches and the crypto NFTs that this guy used to shill, right? I'm not even against Trump. I'm not against Harris. I'm just telling you guys, objectively, matter of fact, where this is going. Is this worth it? Let's look at other celebrities, like the founder of ChatGPT, right? He launched a coin called WorldCoin, right? And it's already at $21 billion valuation. And remember Elon Musk, how he keeps on plugging Doge? Well, that's at $18 billion valuation. So Trump, his coin is now starting off at $1.5 billion, which then seems quite small compared to all of these. If Trump gets in, then his own coin, right, could do really well. Well, the problem is right now, it's not released on any secondary markets. That means it's not on any exchanges. It's not on any Uniswap or Sushi Swap. You can't really trade it. You can't trade it to for another person for profit. And it's a 1 year, 12-month lock, right? You have to hold it for 12 months, waiting to see what happens to the Trump coin. Do you have that much patience? The real takeaway is that the Trump coin is in the category of real world assets for property. He's gonna, use the rent from the properties that he owns to generate, right, interest, and he's gonna turn that into a tokenization. So real world assets, those coins are gonna benefit from the Trump coin launch. But in other news, right, the number one game right now on Epic Games, right, on Epic Games Store is actually a crypto game. Look at this. You just go to the Epic Games Store, and this game, right, this game is actually number one right now. So I think crypto gaming is also about to take off. We're in a bullish environment, as I've been saying for a long time. And now Bitcoin is hitting 68K now. We're almost there, near the new all-time high now. And you remember Pablo's prediction about a month ago? Pablo was saying that, I was telling my Discord that in the next few weeks, right, we should see Bitcoin head to a new all-time high. Eventual target is in the low 90s, like 92, 93, 94K area for me, right? And we're seeing this inverse head and shoulders pattern play out. Let's see how it's playing out. So this was the head and shoulders pattern I posted a month ago, right? We see the shoulder, head, shoulder, and I was forecasting Bitcoin to bounce up, hit a new high eventually in the next coming few weeks. And that's exactly what we're getting right now. And this is what the chart looks like right now, right? With a double header right here, shoulder and shoulder, right? We're hitting the neckline here at about 68K, right? And I'm expecting some sort of pullback or delay or sideways consolidation. Remember, that should eventually break up, and we're getting a run above 73K, above the old all-time high, right? Because everyone's having some uncertainty about the Trump election. They're not sure who's going to win, because Trump would obviously be more friendly towards crypto. I'm not for either party, but that's just a fact, right? A Trump win's better for crypto.